Thanks to God Almighty, the application was protected by the American Invention Foundation. The application appeared in 2013 as an initial version and received 5,700 views on the Engineers Forum. And today it has become an advanced platform on the web. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. May blessings and peace be upon the messenger of God and his good and pure family. 8th, once he presses a button, he can know a summary and at the same time the value of payment and what happens in a contract with all its details. Paragraph after paragraph, what are the quantities completed and what percentage? The achievement and how much it cost in addition to his viewing of the cases. Among them is the danger that the quantities completed, for example, exceed the quantities allocated for this contract. In order to avoid them and take appropriate action, the application also shows what is called with the summary, the adjectives, or the inventory books. It appears and also shows the percentages of completion, note here, and also shows us the status. Note here that the quantity in the end is 10, but the port is 3597.11. It is larger than the contract, so it gives us a warning that it is not good, and the ratio notes that it is very high and in red, and we notice here that contract to be executed 744 and port 0.42 is within tolerance. And his percentage of completion 6%. Thus, note that here too, within the limits, it was implemented within the limits. What is required is 444 and ports 16. And so on. The application also helps us know what is accomplished and about the state of achievement and the percentage of what has been accomplished. We provide a professional demo version that enables you to fully understand the platform, which is a title, contract and BOQ application with full data structure protection. You can find the link in a box description. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You benefited from this lecture. If you liked the video, do not forget to press the button like and subscribe to receive all our upcoming lectures. Share in the comments your questions, your experiences. I always love reading your responses and responding to them. In the next video we will learn about. Don't miss it. Stay tuned to the channel for more explanations and new techniques.